What is it?
Worms.
Don't drop our pets. Come on, that's not our bus. It's not our bus. Our bus is over there. Outside. Oh, it may be a little bit chilly out here. We are coming out here to water the plants first thing this morning, since we're not supposed to get rain for a couple of days here, and also to talk a little bit about what we learned at Sparkleberry Fair whenever it comes to vermiculture.
You can save the earth by composting with worms.
I think you have hope.
Why did the earthworm cross the playground to get to the other mudslide?
And there are worms down in here. You know why worms are so good? Why compost is good? Are they cool?
That's it.
You can touch them real gently if you want. If not, yeah. They don't like to be touched too much because it dries them out. Nice. So what they do is they eat all this food and turn it into this nice, rich soil that helps our plants grow. And when they do that, they're saving the earth by creating rotting food makes air pollution, and so do cow poop and rotting food. So one thing you can do to save the earth is compost your food. I don't think you can stop cows from pooping.
I can stop a cow from pooping.
No, I can't.
You turn it into a hamburger.
So all you need is I would use a dark box because they don't like light. Worms is too bright. But if you use a box like this and you poke holes in the bottom, and then you put another, the one with holes inside this. See how these have holes? You can see. So you put the worms, you put newspaper, leaves, those are carbon, or call them grounds, and you add, oops, I'm making a mess. You add greens or nitrogen, which is like living stuff. Carbon is dead stuff. And you mix those together with a few worms, not plastic, worms and a little bit of sand, because worms have gizzards and that helps them digest. Then you add a tiny, tiny bit of water to start with, and then they do all the work. They eat all that food up. You put a watermelon in here, it'll be gone in a day. Can you believe that? That worms will eat it like crazy.
No.
And it's super good for your garden.
Oh, tell them what we're doing in our backyard.
We're making a compost pile.
Yeah. Very good. If you're making an outside compost pile, you can still put red wigglers in. Red wigglers are the worms that eat the food the best. And if you come back by on your way out, I'll give you some to throw in your pile.
Okay.
You like that?
Great.
Yeah.
What is it?
Worms.
Where are the worms? Why did you put the worms down there?
And I need to put my food.
Don't you want some peanuts real quick?
What? See, like that? Now, pop it open. You can put it right over here. Look at that.
You don't like the raw peanuts?
Outside.
Do you like the raw peanuts?
Daddy, come on. I love them. Daddy, come on.
What's that, Noah?
I love them. Daddy, come on. I like them too.
We're gonna go put those in there?
And the dirt.
Okay.
Make them, Daddy, look. Wait.
Not these dirts, no. Over here, back here.
The other dirt.
The other dirts.
Your fins are right there. Okay. Okay.
Right in that spot, right there.
Where his fins are?
Yes.
Any worms? No.
There they are. See?
Wow.
They're right in there.
See a baby.
Yep.
Can we take a picture of him and show Mama? Daddy, can I see? Can I see?
Because of these guys, at this point in time, there are probably over 3,000 red wigglers in that pile. And so we keep feeding them.
What did you do?
Can you wash my hands off?
What happened?
Can you put water on my hands out here because I need to wash my hands?
Are you clean?
That one's not deep. See?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
What do worms use to leave messages? Compost it. Notes.
That's right. Thank you for choosing to check out our video blog and joining us on this journey to thriving. Please be sure to click the link to subscribe. That way you can follow our journeys as we are going through all sorts of adventures and maybe even some misadventures through life.
Thank